Hey, what's up? Trying to figure out a situation here. I just installed the new motherboard with Skylake, and I'm able to successfully get my computer to boot up from the USB drive, and I can see my monitors and everything. I finally got a bunch of stuff working. But I found something very interesting with the new agdp app, is that basically it wipes out my multi-beast settings. So I'm just going to run you through here. Basically, we're booting right now after running multi-beast. I just turned on the sound and I loaded up a YouTube page in my last open windows, so that when it finishes booting up, you'll hear the video start to play. And so you know that the sound's working and multi-beast, there you go, was able to work. But so this is after running multi-beast. I got my sound, but obviously now I need to run agdp. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Hold that down. Throw in my bootloader. USB drive, I mean. Go ahead and hit F12. It's the craziest thing, because you would totally not expect stuff to wipe each other out. At least I've never seen this happen before. Alright, so go to the thumb drive. Boot into the actual drive. And it's kind of an endless loop that basically at this point, if I go put agdp in, and it'll use the NVIDIA drivers, it'll work great. Both monitors come on and it works phenomenally, but then all of my multi-beast settings are gone. Sound, network, I can't get my Ethernet port to show up. But there you go, there's the sound not working, the other monitor doesn't work. So of course it's time to install agdpfix. Go ahead and OK it. It says, hey, you've already installed this. I know, but I gotta do it. There it is. Go ahead and finish. While we're waiting for that to install, it's pretty cool. I got the glowing Apple logo here. Worked on this this case, and I just made it so it has a little plug in it. See, it's just basically a telephone plug, actually. And when you put it in, I actually did it on both sides. Cut out the case and made it glow when the power supply's on. All right. Anyway, go ahead. Okay. It reboots. Take a second here. And say this has been a really fun project getting those done. I'm gonna tell you what though, that was a lot of work cutting that out. I'm gonna post on the forum how I did it. It's quite a project. Also, while I'm waiting for this to boot up again, I'll show you here. I ended up cutting out that little groove right there so that the plug for the video card wouldn't interfere, so I was able to use the plastic. It ended up being pretty cool that was able to work out. All right, boot, boot, boot. Sweet if we could just fast forward this a little bit. There you go, both monitors are coming on. And there it is, it's all good, but with no sound. So, it's just the most crazy thing. I don't understand why agdp could override it. Now, that all said, this is I should say, I'm using an iMac 14.2 definition because I was trying to use the 17.2 and I ran into all sorts of problems with that. So Anyway, any help would be super awesome.